good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey guys, it's another TCP Friday payday, another MCA payday. So if you have not been getting your fix, if you have not been getting paid with us, you definitely need to be checking out one of the two. Okay, but either way it goes, if you don't check them out, that's fine. But I wanted to talk to you guys that are struggling, that are not making money. I wanted to share some information as far as how I'm making money. One way that I am making money is by going out and I'm giving away a free website. Not only am I giving away a free website, I'm actually giving a free website away to people that are in the same type of businesses that I am in, which is online marketing, making money online, whatever you want to call it, okay? But what we do here, everyone is, the number one problem that people have when it comes to making money online is traffic. It's generating traffic. Everybody wants to make sales, but no one knows how to generate traffic. So you either going to have to generate clicks, which clicks are people where people will click on your website, but doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to opt in your website. And opting in means enter their information as far as email and their name. So then that way your marketing system can continue to build a relationship with them and follow up and send messages, things like that. Now, when you purchase leads are people that have already answered some type of questionnaire, have already mentioned in some type of way that they're interested in making money online, and the only thing that you need to do is reach out to them. That is what this company actually offers, is actual leads. So you don't have to go out and hopefully that someone checks your leads, or hopefully some bot that's clicking on your link and no one's actually opting in. So I don't do it that way. I like more organic traffic. I like people that I can call, talk to, text. When you see me shooting YouTube videos, these are people that have built a relationship with me that might have been following me for months on out, and they finally decided they want to join. That's why I love shooting videos, because people automatically build a relationship with you. If people write you and have questions, you can answer that whole. You might answer this question by shooting a video, and you're answering for 10 other people that might have the same question. So that's why I like to shoot videos. Now, here's the thing, is that with this company here, it offers a full marketing system where it allows you to build marketing systems around whatever program that you may be promoting, whatever program that you're involved in. You can build marketing systems around whatever program. That's why this is an evergreen system. That's why I get paid every week, because I not only market to my fellow members in MCA or Best Easy Work or Easy One Up, I also market to other people that are in financial education, people that are into health and wellness products, people that may market cable boxes, things like that, because they need marketing systems as well. They need to have people that they can talk to. So why not pretty much put this information out there? They may have a team that their team need help duplicating their system. This allows them to duplicate their system. They might not have time to go and train their leads. We have a system that does the training. We have a business owner of the company that will go and do daily Facebook Lives as far as closing leads, how to do things such and such for your business. So I'm getting paid every week just to help people, literally. To help struggling marketers. I get paid every week. I get paid every week. I get paid daily, guys. I don't have a problem with making money or getting signups online. And I've been involved in this program for 2 years now, going on 3 years. They have not missed a Friday of paying me. Whenever I make a sale, if there ever has been an issue, I can reach out and they're going to rectify my situation right away. So I'm going to be passing this information along to others, because you may have a business that you're not getting sales in, regardless if you're in, like I said, any of the programs that I named, or a program that you might have. If you have to get leads or generate some type of traffic to your business, you want to utilize this system that I'm talking to you about, because you can go in the back office and buy leads. You can have, you get a marketing, you can build marketing systems. You're getting webinar replays. You have an autoresponder, an email blaster. You have all these tools to help you convert sales. And the only thing you need to do is click the link below and check out the free link. Okay. Not only that, it's free for a week that you can check it out. It's free for 7 days. You decide that you want to keep it. It is $50 a month. The company will pay you a $25 residual income every month. Okay, so they pay out every Friday. So that tells you, if I get paid every Friday, I literally have brought people in every day of the week through this excuse my language, through this system. Okay, so I don't have to. There's been times where I haven't done any promoting on TCP and I've still got paid. Not 25, not 50. Okay, so that's what I'm saying is that once you start building something that people need and can use, you're gonna be fine. You're gonna be taken care of. This residual income has not stopped coming in because I literally talk about this all the time. I literally shoot videos daily. Any program that I'm promoting TCP along with it because it's the yin to my yang on the business. It does everything. It market, it does the selling and telling for all of my programs. So when you sign up for one of the programs, you also need to sign up for TCP because this is also going to be the car that's going to drive you. Okay, that's how I paint my pictures. I don't just say join this program or join this company because you're still going to need training. You're still going to need a marketing system. You're still going to know how to get leads. You're still going to need to know that. And that's why I want you guys to understand that you're going to need this information before you decide, oh, I want to join this business. But then, oh, now you said I need to do this. Now I need money to do this. No, we're telling you the truth. We're telling you what you need right now. Okay. You need a marketing system, you need to have leads, and you need to have traffic to your business. That's the way you be successful, shooting videos like this to close them and let them know that you know what you're doing, okay? It's Friday. I'm getting paid. I'm about to go buy things with my extra money. I made money all week from other programs as well. So now it's Friday. I'm about to go do my thing with my family. You know, we're about to go have some fun. And I'm able to do that. You know, my fiance, she still does work. She loves property. She's a property manager. She's studying real estate. You know, so we're able to do things on extra money, extra income that we get to come in because I've been able to set everything up now. Shooting videos for so long now. I have marketing systems that work for me. We're good. Okay, so click the link at the bottom. Check it out. It's free, guys. It's a $25 residual income that you can make. If they come in semi-annually, you can get paid semi-annually. If they come in annually, you're going to get paid annually. Okay, it's half of that. Okay, so whatever it would be semi-monthly, you're going to get paid half. So if they come in, it's $50 a month, you get paid $25 residual. Okay, so you do the math. Sky's the limit. We don't cap you off. You can do anything you want to do in this business. That's why I tell everyone you need to learn how to make money online, okay? I'm going to wrap this video up. I'm going on 7 minutes, almost 8. So, click the link at the bottom. Check it out. If you have questions, reach out to me. But if you like what you see, sign up. Once you sign up, reach out to me. Let me know that you're in. I'm also going to welcome you inside of the TCP group. Go through your fast start training, guys. Get familiar with your back system, back office. Click around, things like that. Okay, so if you are involved in any of the programs that I named earlier, besides like Easy One Up, Best Easy Work, TCP, Convert, MCA, I have marketing systems already for those particular companies. You know, that I've already built, and I'm willing to, you know, if you join me, I'm willing to give you the codes to those particular programs. Okay, so don't hesitate. I don't know what would be stopping you from signing up. We're helping you close sales. We're helping you get more leads. Just do it. Okay? Click the link at the bottom. Check it out. If you have questions, reach out to me. This your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed Friday until I shoot another video.